Okay, so I just needed a break. My hand was getting tired. So we're going to solve a more complicated inequality this time. And step one, right, is to simplify both sides, get rid of fractions, get rid of parentheses. So I use my distributive law. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 4, copy that down, greater than or equal to 1. Now I'm going to distribute negative 2, so I've got negative 2x. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. All right, 15 plus 4 is 19, so I'm going to combine terms, simplify that too. And over here I've got 1 minus 12. That gives me negative 11. So I've got negative 2x minus 11 on this side. Now, step 2. Use addition and subtraction properties to get all the variables on one side. So I want the variables on the left. I want the constants on the right. So let's add 2x to both sides. Okay, sorry, 5x plus 19, and those cancel. I've got negative 11. And now I'm going to use subtraction. Subtract 19 from both sides. And I get 5x greater than or equal to negative 30. Now, do I have to switch the sign? No. Nope. Even though I've got something negative here because I'm subtracting, only when I'm dividing or technically multiplying, then I would switch the sign. But adding and subtracting, I don't. So now I'm going to divide, and this is a positive number, so I'm not going to switch the sign again. Write this over here. X greater than or equal to negative 30 divided by 5 is negative 6. And so to graph that, there's negative 6, and it's greater than or equal to, so that's a closed dot. And right, the alligator is pointing at the x, right? So x has to be bigger than negative 6, or again, with my variable on the left, this sign, right, looks like that arrow. It matches up. All right, one last example. Ooh. All right, a bathtub fills with water at a rate of 5 gallons per minute. So this is my function. Okay. How many minutes have passed if the bathtub has more than 25 gallons of water in it? Okay, so we need greater than 25 gallons. Actually, before I write, let's think about this a little bit. So the function is f of x, right? So when x is equal to 0, I got no water in the tub. When x is equal to 1, I've got 1 times 5, I've got 5 gallons in the tub. When x is equal to 2, I've got 10 gallons in the tub. When x is equal to 3, I got 15 gallons in the tub. Right? That's how this is working. Let's do a couple more, right? So we want to have more than 25 gallons So how many minutes have passed? Well, how do I figure that out? I'm going to put 5x over here. X is minutes. 5 is my rate. If I solve this, divide by 5, I get x greater than 5. Does that make sense with my function? Yes, because at 5 minutes, I've got exactly 25 gallons, but I want more than 25 gallons, right? So any second, any piece of a minute after greater than 5, I've got more than 25 gallons of water in the tub. And to graph that, 4, 6, 8, 10, right, I'm going to make an open circle at 5. And it's going to be more than that, right? 5.5 minutes would do it, 6 minutes, 7.1 minutes. Any of those things will give me more than 25 gallons in my bathtub. And that's how it works.